Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-59 in the state of Mississippi at mile 137 near the town of Enterprise in Clarke County. We enter Lauderdale County, which has an estimated population of 77,755 as of 2016. The county is named for Colonel James Lauderdale, who was killed at the Battle of New Orleans in the War of 1812. A sign announces that exit 142 leads to Dunn's Falls, a 65-foot waterfall that was once used as a power source for a grist mill and the manufacture of Stetson hats. Historic Carroll-Richardson grist mill is open for tours. The park is a natural wildlife refuge with a picnic area with barbecue grills, a grist mill pond, hiking and swimming areas. Exit 142 is the last exit before I-59 joins I-20 6 miles ahead. At exit 149, I-59 merges with I-20, although the interstate retains I-59's mile and exit numbers. As we merge with I-20, US Highway 80 also joins us and we enter the City of Meridian. Once the largest city in the state, Meridian now has an estimated population of 37,940 as of 2017 and is the sixth largest city in Mississippi. This area is served by two military facilities, Naval Air Station Meridian and Key Field, which employ over 4,000 people. Among Meridian's many arts organizations and historic buildings are the Riley Center, the Meridian Museum of Art, Meridian Little Theater, and the Meridian Symphony Orchestra. The Mississippi Arts and Entertainment Center is located in downtown Meridian. Jimmie Rodgers, the father of country music, was born here. Highland Park houses a museum which displays memorabilia of his life and career, as well as railroad equipment from the steam engine era. The park is also home to the Highland Park Dental Carousel, a National Historic Landmark. It's the world's only two-row stationary dental menagerie in existence. Other notable natives include Miss America 1986 Susan Aiken, James Chaney, an activist who was one of the three civil rights workers murdered in 1964, singer-songwriter Paul Davis, and Hartley Peavy, founder of Peavy Electronics headquartered in Meridian. The federal courthouse was the site of the 1966-1967 trial of suspects in the murder of Chaney and two other activists. For the first time, an all-white jury convicted a white official of a civil rights killing. We conclude our video at exit 160. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.